Saddle up, we got a good day ahead of us. I am grateful for this beautiful day. Abundance flows into my life so easily. I appreciate every moment of joy and every opportunity for growth. My heart is full of gratitude for the love that surrounds me. I am thankful for the peace I feel within myself right now. Every day, I wake up grateful for the life I am creating. I am blessed with opportunities that lead me to my highest good. Wealth and prosperity come to me naturally. I appreciate the simple joys and the meaningful moments in my life. My gratitude opens doors to even more blessings. I am thankful for the abundance in every area of my life. Wealth flows to me from expected and unexpected sources. I attract prosperity with ease and grace. My life is filled with financial abundance, and I am grateful for it. I appreciate the comfort and security I enjoy each day. I am grateful for the people in my life who support me and love me. My family and friends stand by my side, and I feel blessed. I appreciate the kindness I receive and the kindness I give to others. My relationships enrich my life, and I am deeply thankful for them. Laughter and moments of peace fill my days. I appreciate the beauty I see around me every single day. Gratitude fills my heart and guides my actions. I am thankful for the goals I have achieved and the dreams I am manifesting. My hard work is paying off, and I am grateful for my progress. Success comes to me in many forms. I appreciate every step forward, no matter how small. I celebrate my victories with a grateful heart. Prosperity continues to increase in my life. I am grateful for the wealth that supports my dreams and my lifestyle. Money comes to me easily, and I use it wisely. I appreciate the financial freedom I am creating for myself. I am thankful for this present moment. This moment is perfect just as it is, and I appreciate it fully. I recognize that the universe is always working in my favor. I am grateful for the divine guidance I receive each day. The path forward becomes clear to me. I trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. My gratitude deepens my connection to something greater than myself. I am blessed with creativity and inspiration. Ideas flow through me naturally. I appreciate my ability to create and contribute to the world around me. My unique gifts are valuable, and I am grateful for them. I use my talents to make a positive difference. I am thankful for the freedom I have in my life. I appreciate the choices available to me and the power to shape my own future. Independence fills my days. I am grateful to live life on my own terms. My gratitude attracts more things to be grateful for. I am thankful for the abundance that keeps flowing to me. Blessings surround me right now, and more are on their way. I appreciate the generosity of life. Everything I need is already coming to me. I am thankful for the freedom I have in my life. I appreciate the choices available to me and the power to shape my own future. Independence fills my days. I am grateful to live life on my own terms. My gratitude attracts more things to be grateful for. I am thankful for the abundance that keeps flowing to me. I appreciate the generosity of life. Everything I need is already coming to me. I am grateful for my resilience and my ability to overcome obstacles. Strength carries me through difficult times. I appreciate the courage I find within myself when I need it most. My inner power is something I am deeply thankful for. I recognize the beauty in my life. I am grateful for the simple pleasures that bring me joy. The sunrise, the fresh air, the quiet moments all fill me with appreciation. I appreciate the little things that make life wonderful. My gratitude helps me see the magic in ordinary days. I appreciate my ability to see the good in situations. Optimism guides my thoughts naturally. I am grateful for the hope I carry with me. My perspective shapes my reality and I choose gratitude. I am blessed with abundant energy and motivation. Drive pushes me toward my goals every single day. I appreciate my determination and my focus. I am grateful for the discipline I have developed. These qualities serve me well and I am thankful for them. I recognize that I am worthy of all good things. I am grateful to receive the abundance that comes to me. My value becomes clearer to me each day. I appreciate myself and who I am becoming. I am enough and I am grateful for this truth. I am thankful for the peace that fills my soul. Calm flows through me even during busy times. I appreciate the serenity that centers me. My inner stillness is a gift I am deeply grateful for. I am grateful for this life and everything it offers me. Experiences shape me in beautiful ways. I appreciate the journey I am on. Every day brings something to be thankful for. I live in gratitude and my heart overflows with appreciation. Abundance is my natural state. I feel grateful in this moment and in every moment. My life reflects the gratitude I hold within. I am thankful for who I am and all that I have. Gratitude flows through me effortlessly and connects me to the abundance of the universe. The best is yet to come. Take care.